Okay, y'all, what is up? It's your girl Court, and I am back. I know it's been a minute since I have seen y'all, but that's okay. We're gonna get right back into the flow of things. So please don't forget to comment and let me know like what you want to see from me this go round. I know that I post a lot about how to make money online, and a little bit, I've been trying to incorporate some personal vlogs and things like that. But let me know what you want to see, and what you like and what you like coming from me. So today, without further ado, we're actually gonna hop into how y'all can make some more money. Y'all know I love getting my coins. Y'all know I love helping y'all get to the bag as well. And so today we're gonna be talking about digital drop shipping. Now, if you don't know what drop shipping is, go ahead and drop it in YouTube and look it up. But basically, you're just the middleman between the seller and the customer. The prime example is like Amazon is one of the first ones I've seen. Now, don't y'all be laughing at my nail. I broke it, but I broke it for a good reason. I was at the gym. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, if you don't know, there has been a wave of artificial intelligence, also known as AI, coming onto the platforms and everything like that. So I'm going to show y'all a real quick way that y'all can make money. So I'm going to keep this short. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you this new website if you haven't already, so you can explore it and use it in your business. So let's get to it. All right. Now, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to come to this site right here, openai.com/blog/chat-GBT. Now, this is what everyone has been using to create content. And so I'm gonna let you explore. We're gonna explore some of this already. Now let's see, because I've been having like a difficult time making sure that I get into the website and everything like that. But let's see if it lets me get into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and create you an account. Now, I already have an account because I've been using the crap out of this. So let's see what we have here. Now, oh, why is it saying my password is not working? Who changed my password? Okay, awesome. So this is what you need to go into. I'm gonna say, so this is what you need to go, the screen that you'll need to see when you first get there. If you don't see the screen, you're at the wrong place. Okay, so they already have examples for you, like get any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday party, how to make an HTTP, request a JavaScript. So they have a lot of things. If you kind of look over here, you'll kind of see some of the things that I've looked up as well. Now, what I'm gonna show you today is how to do digital drop shipping. And that's basically the drop shipping of digital products, y'all. Digital products. Okay, so in normal drop shipping, we're actually doing physical products, toys, jewelry, games, all those great things that you see on TikTok that people are using. That's traditional e-commerce drop shipping. But today we're going to be talking about digital drop shipping, which is the drop shipping of digital products. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to come to ChatGPT so that you can get your mind flowing full of ideas. So I've come up with some statements that to get you all to see how this works. So we want to get to the bag. So the first thing I'm gonna ask the ChatGPT to do, it can do a lot of things, but I'm just gonna give you an example. But I'm gonna ask it to give me a list of the most popular digital product niches out there. Okay, so now it's formulating and it's going to do its thing. So it says here are some of the most popular digital product niches. You have ebooks, online courses, software apps, graphic design resources, web templates, stock photos and videos, music and audio files, virtual reality, digital art and design assets. So don't limit yourself. Go through the list, find out something that really resonates with you. Now, what I'm going to type in is give me a list of digital product ebook niches. Okay, and let's see if it helps me get in some more. So okay, I really like this. So it's going more in depth, and that's something that you want to do. Sometimes I don't see a lot of you guys do that. You like kind of get stuck, so this will help move you along. But I see self-help, health and wellness, business and entrepreneurship, finance and business, technology and coding, cookbooks and recipes, travel and adventure, history and culture, education and learning. So I am actually like, we can go ahead and choose a niche that we want to do out of here. So I am actually going to go with let's go with self-care. Okay, so self-care. So I'm going to ask it to do me something else. Create me, now that we have our topic, create me an ebook and digital, no, how about create me a self-care workbook and ebook. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so look, here's an outline for a self-care workbook and ebook. It gives you the chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, building a self-care plan, mindful practices for self-care strategies, for mental well-being, wrapping up, an ebook bonus, additional chapters more in depth on each self-care topic, printable worksheets and templates, additional resources. So it's basically creating the outline for you, like right there. Now, if you don't want to go that route and have it done, like I already say, like use some of this, but what you can do is also go to a PLR website. Now, PLR stands for private label rights, which allows you to generate or purchase a digital product that a company has made, and you can resell it for your use over and over and over and over again. Okay, so this is my favorite site right here, which is plrze.com. If you don't see it, I'm highlighting it here right now. I'll include the link at the end of this video, and stay to the end because I have something special for you all, for those who stay to the end, something that you're going to need. Now, they have different planners and things like that. Like this one right here, they have a self-improvement planner, an expense report, a gratitude self-care. I really like this. So let's see, scroll down and see what's included. So it says basically here, this self-care journal and planner contains everything you need to start taking care of yourself. It includes pages so that you can set your goals, plan the activities or routines you want to do every month. So yeah, and it's 192 pages. So this is awesome, y'all. Now let's see how much this costs. This is going to cost us journal 1. Now this is going to cost us $30. So basically you can mark this up or you can sell it for that, because you're only going to buy this one time. Okay, now once you pick your product, what you want to do is go to our best friend, which is Canva. Okay, now you want to go to Canva and you want, y'all, my phone is like ringing off the hook today, but you want to go to Canva and you basically want to rebrand the product. Okay, and this is just to get you to put your little extra spin on it. Like maybe you don't like the way that the design looks, maybe you don't like you know, maybe you want to change up something else, you have certain brand colors, so all that's going to play into effect. Now after you do that and you go to Canva, what you want to do next is find a place to sell this. And so you can sell it on different marketplaces. Now I've heard different reviews basically on different marketplaces like Etsy, because you know they take out all those fees and we want to keep our coins, not give them away, right? But I just want to show you all an example. Like right here, this is a digital planner. Okay, now this is something you can plan. This is digital, you guys, so this means you don't have to keep inventory, low overhead costs. You don't have to, you know, have any in your house or anything like that, but you can, and I can show that in the next video on how you can do print on demand with digital drop shipping, you know, with drop shipping, or as another stream of income as well, because I know POD or print on demand is really hot. But I want y'all to take a look at this. Now this planner is $12.54. Okay, but we need to do some math. Do y'all see this right here? I want y'all to look at this. This says this person has made 145,256 sales off of this one digital planner. Now let me go ahead and get my math out. Okay, I'm about to pick up my phone and do my math for y'all. $12.54 times 145,256, $1,821,000. Y'all look at this. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? 1 million. Okay, so this person has made $1 million just off of this digital planner. I'm through, y'all. Sign me up. I don't care how many fees you take off of that. So yeah, so this is just one of the places. There are other places you can sell, such as Gumroad. You can actually just link it directly to your Shopify and promote it organically through TikTok. I can create a video about that as well, so let me know if you want to see how that works. But yes, I had to come in here and show you all how simple it is. Now this really, I mean, this video is probably long, but this took me no time. All we did was go through the steps again. We went through ChatGPT. It helped us create some ideas. You can do cooking, fitness, whatever you're into, food photography, okay? And we basically went to PLR, got us a PLR a PLR document or gratitude journal, whatever it is, and you can start your whole funnel. I will be creating more videos about starting your funnel, because I know you guys need that in your business. If you don't have a funnel, you're missing out and you're losing out on money. That's probably why you're not converting. Then we go to Canva. We're going to rebrand and create ideas. If you need a video on how you can do more different branding ideas, let me know. And then all we did was upload it to a marketplace, came up with a marketing plan. And if you need if you need more like SEO on how to get your keywords and things like that to rank at the top on the Etsy, because people have been on here for years, okay? So if you need that, you can also go to Fiverr. You can outsource that so that you won't be struggling. All right, now I'll create a video about that as well. So let me know what out of everything that I said that you want to see more of. So that is all, everybody. I hope this video didn't take up too much of your time. I hope you learned something. It was quick, it's easy, and everybody knows I like quick and easy money. So that's all now. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to see anything, let me know. Now, for the people who have stayed to the end, I have included my link to my digital PLR playbook, which is going to walk you through how you can start this PLR business from start to finish. So if you haven't already, go ahead, click the link in my description box. It's down below. It's also on TikTok and everywhere. So you can stay up to par on this PLR game. It's really in depth. We're here to help you get your coins together. So I've also included 25 sites, y'all. 25. So I've done a lot of research on the best, where you can get high quality PLR starting today. Okay. Now I'm also make a video about my favorite ones as well. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get the subscribers back up. And thank you guys again for sticking it out with your girl Court. Peace.